Today, I'll show you how to create that cool typing text effect where your text looks like it's being typed out letter by letter, perfect for dramatic intros or casual captions. Alright, open your project and tap on the text tool. Type out whatever you want, position it on the screen, and adjust the size. Now comes the fun part. Tap on animation and go to the In tab. Scroll through the options and look for typing. Once you select it, your text will animate just like it's being typed. Use the duration slider to control how fast or slow the typing happens. Slower if you want suspense, or faster for a snappy effect. Once you're happy, just hit the check mark and you're done. And that's it. You've now added a typing text animation to your video using InShot. Keep experimenting with text styles and animations to match the vibe of your content. If you enjoyed this quick tip, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy InShot tutorials.